and welcome to this video series developed to support your very own Spark Connect workshop. You will have received a Human Centred Design Toolkit aimed to guide you through the tools to help you turn healthcare problems into solutions. Unlike traditional methods that focus on just finding solutions, this toolkit is about understanding the needs of the people involved, like the patients, the staff and other stakeholders. It's an iterative, non-linear process that encourages creativity and collaboration. This toolkit starts by understanding your user. So firstly, step 1 is a user persona. Think of this as a fictional but research-based representation of your ideal user. It could be a patient, a caregiver, or a healthcare colleague. A well-crafted persona brings together the most important insights about your user to help you focus your design. Use the provided template to capture their role, objectives, key actions and challenges. A top tip here is to keep it concise and focused only on the insights that will drive your design decisions. Every detail should empathise and design a better solution. Step 2 is empathy mapping. This is a powerful visual tool to step into the user's shoes, shifting your perspective from assumptions to human insight. The goal is to deeply understand their needs, emotions and experiences. So we're going to start with the outside. What do they see in their environment? What do they hear from others? What do they say? And what is their common language? And most importantly, what do they do? What are their actions and behaviours? So this could be, for example, a patient waiting to be seen in a waiting room. Maybe they hear the alarm bells going off. Maybe they hear the chatter amongst the staff. Maybe what do? Maybe they go up and ask the receptionist how long they might be waiting for. So think about that experience, and as healthcare professionals, I'm sure you're very very knowledgeable of these insights. Now for the core, what do they think and feel? What are their pains and what frustrations and fears and obstacles do they have? And what are their gains, their goals, their needs and their dreams? Finally, use the bottom section to summarise the core thoughts and feelings that truly motivate their behaviour. A top tip here is to go and observe. Gather real data through interviews or shadowing and look for patterns. What are the frustrations and unmet needs most visible? This information is your foundation for innovation. So that's your foundation built. To learn how to map your user's experience and find opportunities for improvement, check out our next video, Spark Mapping the Journey.